Yo, what up, guys? Sorry about how I ended the last video. That's kind of all over that. I'm just done. So, needless to say, my clutch master is toast. I know we gotta rebuild this. It's garbage. So we ordered a new one. Get that on the way. I'm trying to locate the brake cylinders for the Triumph on the rear, because apparently we went to go loosen the bleeder valve. I've got it, if I showed you guys that, but it's right here. It was right there, and now it's broken. See it? Yep. Nope. Yeah, it's broken. So we got to get that ordered if we can locate them. Right now, Rimmer Bros didn't have any, or I didn't look hard enough. I had to do some other stuff yesterday too after we got out of here, but it's all good. But today, what we're gonna do is we're gonna work on the drive shaft. This guy right here, we've got to replace the U-joints in these ends because, yeah, they just need to be replaced. Since we have them, because we ordered them, and the funny thing is, AutoZone actually came through. They actually had them in stock, which was awesome. So we actually ordered both of them from them. Yeah, this place is a disaster. But we are going to take those off, these ends off, get these U-joints replaced, and hopefully we can get the drive shaft back in. So we get the drive shaft in here. After we get the drive shaft in here, you got to take your pinch knuckles for your ring tool, get it in here. You got to remove these little snap rings here. If we can get it in here. And it went, it loose. Been here probably its whole entire life. And it's sticking, so it's gonna be driving me nuts, so. There we go. Nope. Alright, I'll get back to you guys as soon as we can get this off. Alright, so if we get all the ring clips out of these things, which are sitting everywhere around here because they kind of went flying everywhere. There's one. We now have to pound this out. So we sprayed a little bit of our WD-40 penetrant stuff in all these holes like that. Just let it sit for a little bit after it took those out. So now, I'm going to put a socket in here and just tap on it. It should just slide out. So we're going to give it a shot. Here we go. You get yourself a little socket. It can fit in there, not too big. Get yourself a little hammer. Oh, his job is not freaking stubborn. What I feel? Yeah, let's see. Well, that was interesting. It's out. There it is. You guys want to see the inside of these things? Look at this. You can't really see it because of the lighting, but it is like brown in there. That's not really good. It's supposed to be like a greasy, clear red. You know, this is way past this freaking due to image. Look at that. That's pretty bad. So now we gotta try and get this side off, which would be entertaining, nothing less. We still gotta work on the other side too, but one side at a time here. It's what? It's off. As you saw, this is the other two and what's left of revenue sends up number 4 there and there. But you saw me actually cut the damn thing off because it was not wanting to come out. Yeah, that was fun. Looky. Maybe you guys can see it. Drive shaft is there, those new U-joints up there. All the way back. Look at those new U-joints. Pretty. Everything works. Everything turns well. Now we gotta figure out the brake situation in the clutch again. But anyway. If you guys want to subscribe for more anyway, and all that fun stuff. We're gonna go up around here and do some more other things like clutch, maybe brakes. Bye.